Hello, today we will introduce a completed powder production line. Now I will introduce you the details one by one. First, let's see the screw conveyor. For this screw conveyor, the hopper is customized. It's bigger, can store more powder. You just put your powder from, as you can see, there is a protection grade. You can put your bags here, and it's very stable and durable. There's also a tube in the upper part. Then you can collect your dust collector to remove dust. Now you can. We will show you the details of the screw conveyor. The capacity is very big. For this hopper, it can hold about 200 kilogram flour powder. After feeding, this is a screw conveyor feeding the material to the mixing machine. This is our mixing machine. As you can see, the detail is food grade stainless steel. The electric control box. Let's see the inside. Schneider electric parts, especially for exported. Now we also add a cover for the motor, so can avoid the dust. Protection. In the inner part, the motor is Siemens motor, and cylinder reduced gear. Now let's see the discharging part of this. It's a butterfly valve. After mixing about 10 minutes, then the powder will discharging from this hopper. Now the hopper will go to this small solo. For this solo, it's very simple. It's set on the screw conveyor. For this solo, the storage hopper is around 300 kilogram of flour. Now we also add a vibration motor to help discharge the powder. If the powder with not very good fluidity, the vibration motor will help. It's easy to discharge. Now, as you can see, the motor is also Siemens motor with reduced gear. The diameter of this screw conveyor is bigger, so the output is very big, and it's also food grade stainless steel. Then the hopper, then the powder will go into this packing machine. As you can see, this one is a fully automatic powder packing machine. It combines powder filling, bag forming. For this hopper, it can open easily to clean the inside. It's Schneider electric parts. The motor. Let's see the back side of the foam, the data printer, the full motor. Please see more details of the packing machine. The bag forming device. By this device, the forming the bag looks more beautiful. If you have other side of your bag wise, just change this part, change the bag former. It can be smaller. The bag forming device will be this model. Packing machine will be customized according to your biggest bag size. But for this one, the width of the bag is 20 centimeters. The max of the bag width is 20 centimeters. If you have other smaller bag size, just change this part. As you can see, this bag is a guest bag. This is a guest bag making device. So this whole line is a fully automatic powder packing line. It combine feeding, mixing, and packing. It's an automatic powder packing line. If you have other requirements, just please contact with us. We can customize the machines according to your requirements.
Will you be introduced of the level blender mixer more information? And what is the capacity?
For the capacity of the mixing machine, because as you can see, we are manufacturer and we are factory. We can customize the capacity according to your requirements. Just please tell us what you will mix and the density of your products. We will recommend you the suitable machines.
What is this whole production line used for?
For this one, for this mixer, it can mix around 300 kilogram flour.
Yes. What is the whole plant machine output capacity?
Output capacity? You mean for the mixing machine is around 300 kilogram per hour. For this bag forming device, for this packing machine, it can pack around 15 to 20 bags each minute.
What is powder filling machine and packing machine used for? What's the function?
The function for this one is just used for powder weighing. The upper part is weighing device. The below part is bag forming device. So it's an automatic powder packing machine. If you have other bags such as a pillow bag, it's also okay. For this one, it's just a guest bag. If you have other pre-made bag and other bags, we have other machine which is suitable for you. Just please send me your requirements. We can recommend you the suitable machine.
Do you have more powder packing machine?
Yes, of course. We have many kinds of powder packing machine. So you just please send me your requirements and your sample. We can recommend you the best suitable machine, because we are very professional. We have a professional team and a professional production team. We have professional after sales engineer team. So we are very professional. You can rely on us. Just please contact with us for more information.